Kihe ka World Health Organization na kajala kila Hiar menta sha Tikrikilla West Garo ban Hiar tohkit nya halor kajing phriang ki khubor ba kajing pang polio kala KM biang ha kajala habakran bikilat pathai khubor ka Director MCH and FW Dr. JS Moment bat kumju ka Joint Director MCH and FW Dr. B Maulong Kiletho ba kane kajingja kalami hadian ba we uknaret badang arsnem shiteng ka kerta ula lek sha sumar sha golpara civil hospital namar ka jingstam layathu ru ba ka shim artli ki nongmuna sample na utei uhebren ban patas sha ka laboratory kabadan hakol kata badru shamambai banwat banya halor kate ke jingpang bayo utei uhebren
about the news report that polio resurfaces in India and case has been detected in Meghalaya, West Garo Hills, in Tikrikilla village. So there was a case of one child, 2.5 years old, from Tikrikilla, who had weakness in his right lower limb. So he has gone to Golpara Civil Hospital for treatment. There the child was admitted and was reported as acute flaccid paralysis case. So stool samples have been collected from there and the stool sample has been sent to laboratory, one to Kolkata, IOS, and another to NIB Mumbai. So we are waiting for the final report. Until and unless the final report comes, we cannot confirm the case. So the health department, along with the support from WHO, is doing the investigation and waiting for further results. In the meantime, our staff from WHO has also gone to Tikrikilla to investigate the case. They are collecting the samples and from the patient and also from the community to take further for further investigations.
It comes positive, then they'll have to do another test again, whether it's a circulated virus or whether it's a immunovirus. Because if it's an immunodeficiency virus, then it can happen only to one child. But if there's a circulated virus, then they'll have to do the screening for all the communities, for all the contacts, for the family members, So they'll have to see all those stool samples of those people also. Then after that, when the report has come, whether it's a poliomyelitis or whether it's due to other causes, because as it is for surveillance, for this surveillance, we used to do this fever with rashes also for measles, and we are doing this AFP search also, by the team from district or the team from WHO or not. So right from before, when we were in the PHC level also, we got that instruction that when there's any case of paralysis of lower limbs within 6 months and below 15 years, we have to inform the WHO team to come and take stool samples of that particular patient, so that we can rule out whether it's polio or not, because there are many acute flaccid paralysis due to other causes also, not only polio. So now why we want to clarify, since it has come in the media that poliomyelitis resurfaced in Meghalaya, now at the moment we cannot say that it's polio, because we are doing surveillance for acute flaccid paralysis. So this is the case of acute flaccid paralysis. The WHO state surveillance officer from Shillong, the state surveillance officer from Bangaigaon, the state surveillance officer from Bakutan, that along with the health department team from West Garo Hills, now they're conducting all the investigations, they're conducting all the search and all the collecting the stool samples. So now they'll be giving the update every now and then. So by the time when the result has come, then the WHO will confirm the case.